Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix annotative objects that are not showing in a viewport in AutoCAD. This is a common issue that many beginners run into when working with layouts, and it can be frustrating when your text, dimensions, or multi-leaders appear in model space but suddenly disappear inside a viewport. The good news is that this problem is usually easy to fix once you know what to check. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your annotative objects display correctly in your viewport. Let's get started. First, open your drawing and switch to the Layout tab where the problem is occurring. This is the layout that contains the viewport where your annotative objects are not visible. Next, double-click inside the viewport to activate it. You'll know the viewport is active because you'll be able to zoom and pan within it. Now, locate one of the annotative objects that is not displaying correctly. This could be text, dimensions, multi-leaders, or annotative blocks. Select the object and then open the Properties palette by pressing Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. In the Properties palette, look for the Annotative property. Make sure it is set to Yes. If it isn't, the object is not annotative and won't respond to annotation scales. After confirming that the object is annotative, check whether the correct annotation scale has been assigned to it. One of the most common reasons objects disappear in a viewport is because the viewport scale is not included in the object's annotation scales. To fix this, type Object Scale into the command line and press Enter. Select the annotative object and press Enter again. AutoCAD will give you options to manage scales for the selected object. Choose the Add option. Then select the same scale that your viewport is using. For example, if your viewport is set to 1 to 100, add the 1 to 100 annotation scale to the object. Once you've selected the correct scale, press Enter to finish. If the object still doesn't appear, there's another setting you should check. Type Anno All Visible into the command line and press Enter. When prompted, enter 1 and press Enter again. This tells AutoCAD to display all annotative objects regardless of their assigned scales. Now type Regen All and press Enter. This regenerates the drawing and refreshes all viewports. Take another look at your viewport. In most cases, your missing annotative objects should now be visible. If everything looks correct, you can leave the setting as it is, or set Anno All Visible back to 0 if you only want objects to appear at their assigned scales. And that's all there is to it. The main thing to remember is that annotative objects must have the same annotation scale as the viewport in order to display properly. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.